Hi Harding Hawks, it's Miss Monica from the Harding Library, and I'm actually here at the Harding Library to read you guys a book. So the book I'm going to read you guys is called Manana Iguana, and it's a bilingual book, and it is from Anne Whitford Paul and illustrated by Ethan Law. So let's get to it. So Manana Iguana by Anne Whitford Paul, illustrated by Ethan Law. So the first thing we're going to see on our left side is a glossary, and it's some of the Spanish words and the English translation, and how to pronounce them. So the days of the week: lunes, which is Monday; martes, Tuesday; miércoles, Wednesday; jueves, Thursday; viernes, Friday; sábado, Saturday; domingo is Sunday. And other words in this book: conejo, rabbit; culebra, snake; fiesta, party; gracias, thank you; mañana, tomorrow; piñata, there's no real name for it, but it's piñata. I'm pretty sure you guys know it as piñata too. Tortuga, tortoise; yo no, not I; yo sí, I will. Alright, so it starts by, on Monday, lunes, Iguana twitched her tail happily. Let's celebrate spring with a party on Saturday. Conejo hopped up and down. Yes, let's! Tortuga poked out of his shell. A fiesta on Sábado? Count me in. Culebra shook his rattle. Me too. Good, said Iguana. We must start right away. Who will help me write invitations? Yo no, not I, said Conejo. I write too fast. No one could read my words. Yo no, said Tortuga. I write too slow. I can't hold a pen, said Culebra. Maybe I'll grow arms tonight, and I can help you tomorrow. We can't wait until mañana, Iguana wiggled her tail. I'll write the invitations myself. And she did. On martes, Iguana asked, who will help me deliver the invitations for our fiesta? Yo no, said Conejo. I move too fast. I'd pass our friends. Yo no, said Tortuga. I move too slow. Culebra said, if I grow arms tonight, I will help you mañana, Iguana. Mañana will be too late, Iguana fidgeted her tail. I'll deliver the invitations myself. And she did. On miércoles, Iguana asked, who will help me stuff the piñata for our fiesta? Yo no, said Conejo. I stuffed too fast. I'd rip and tear. Yo no, said Tortuga. I stuffed too slow. Culebra said, mañana, Iguana, when I grow arms. Too many excuses. Iguana flounced her tail. I'll stuff the piñata myself. And she did. On jueves, Iguana begged, please, will someone help me cook the food for our fiesta? Yo no, said Conejo. I cook too fast. I'd make a mess. Yo no, said Tortuga. I cook too slow. Culebra said, if I grow arms, I'll help you mañana, Iguana. Iguana slapped her tail on the ground. I'll cook the food myself. And she did. On viernes, Iguana signed, I don't suppose anyone will help me hang the streamers for our fiesta. Yo no, said Conejo. I hang too fast. I tear the streamers. Yo no, said Tortuga. I hang too slow. Culebra said, I'll help you hang the streamers. Iguana clapped, hooray! I'll help you mañana, Iguana, when I grow my arms. I knew it. The Iguana smacked her tail on the ground so hard that she puffed up a cloud of dirt. I'll decorate by myself. And she did. And then it was Sábado. Conejo hopped up and down. We're ready for our fiesta. Tortuga poked out of his shell. Here come our guests. Culebra shook his rattle. Oh, let's greet them. No! Iguana whipped her tail around in angry circles. I wrote the invitations, and I delivered them. I stuffed the piñata. I cooked the food. I hung the streamers. Now I and I alone will greet my guest at my fiesta. And she did. Conejo hurried to hide behind a cactus. Tortuga shrunk into his shell. Culebra slithered under a rock. They watched for a long time while guests laughed and ate and broke the piñata. What a fine fiesta, the guests said as they left. Iguana yawned. I'm too tired to clean. I'll do it mañana. She stretched and soon slept. Conejo hopped out from behind the cactus. Iguana's really worn out, he said. Tortuga poked out of her shell. She should be. She did everything. Culebra slithered out from under the rock. And we did nothing. They were silent for a long time. Suddenly Conejo said, I have an idea. He told it to his friends. That's great, said Tortuga. Culebra said, let's start now. And they did. Can we guess what they're going to do? Conejo pulled down the streamers, put away leftovers, and packed the trash. Tortuga scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed one giant powder. And Culebra squiggled and squirmed and swept the ground spotless. They worked until Domingo, and Iguana woke up. She rubbed her eyes and looked around. She looked at Conejo and Tortuga and Culebra. Iguana smiled. Gracias, she said. Thank you. Then she twitched her tail happily. You must be hungry from your hard work. Who will help me eat the leftovers? Yo sí, cried Conejo, Tortuga, and Culebra. And they all did. So that's the end of the book, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I found this book here on Epic, and there's, I think, a sequel to it called Fiesta Fiasco. So if you want to look it up, it's on Epic. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. And we miss you, me and the books. Bye.